I put these Medicube PDRN pink collagen gel masks to the test on this 60-year-old skin. Stick around for my product review. I'm in love with Korean Beauty. This is supposed to be super hydrating. Okay, winter's definitely taken a toll on my skin. The cold air, the wind, the constant indoor heat. At 60 years of age, that kind of stress shows up quickly. Dryness, loss of elasticity. My skin just looks tired. So tonight, I'm testing this Medicube Salmon DNA mask as an overnight treatment. It contains PDRN, a purified salmon-derived ingredient known for supporting skin repair and hydration. And I'm applying it as my final step after cleansing. No retinoids, no acids, just this mask on its own. The directions do state that you can put the mask on as your final step after your skincare routine. But I figured, in fairness, I didn't want to add anything else. I just want this mask so I get a really accurate read of how well it hydrates my skin when I wake up in the morning. I am a side sleeper, so I'm not sure how well this is actually going to stay on my face this evening. And I will try it again. I'm just pulling it out so you can see here. There we go. It's actually in 2 pieces. Woo, let's see. I love the smell. Okay. It's definitely, soothing. My skin is thanking me already. Skin's been suffering the furnace, and even when you're in the car, right? The heat's blasting. It's been a cold and vicious winter. And now the second part of the mask. All right, that part goes like that. Oh, this feels amazing. All right, so I'm supposed to, now if you don't want to leave it on overnight, you can just leave it on for apparently 3 to 4 hours. You are supposed to wait, if you want the full effect, until this mask will go transparent. Because I want the full effects, I know that a lot of ladies are sleeping with the mask on. Once again, I'm not sure how well this is going to work for me because I am a side sleeper. And I feel like in hours, this may be on my soak pillow. So time will tell. I'm super excited to give it a try. I actually just want one now for my neck and my décolleté. Okay, so I'm 2 hours in on my mask and I should be sleeping soon. As you can see, the mask is tightening like masks do generally. I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to sleep with this all night. So I might have to do the reveal at 12 or 1 in the morning because I don't think I can do this all night. This probably just isn't an option for me, but I'll keep you posted. All right, so would I recommend this product? Yes, I would buy this again. It was $25. I would not sleep in it. That is definitely not something that I would do again. 3 to 4 hours, you're supposed to leave this on. You decide not to sleep with it to get the full effects. To me, that's a long time to commit. And it has to be something super special. Like, let's say I was going to my niece's wedding or an annual thing. I would wear this for 3 to 4 hours to get the full benefits. I prefer just to keep my beauty routines, quick and easy peasy. 10 to 20 minutes for anything is quite long enough for me. So with that being said, this does increase some of the volume in your face. I felt like my face was a little more, some extra volume collagen here. It did soften the lines around my mouth because I have those, and I have a deep line here, actually. It's definitely made a difference there. $25, it's definitely reasonably priced. I honestly just do the honey avocado mask once a week. That, for me, provides the moisture and the hydration that my skin needs, and I only leave it on for 15, 20 minutes, and that's really as long as I want to commit to a facial mask. And that mask is in my Midlife Skin Rescue book in the link below. Thanks so much for watching. I do hope that you enjoyed the content. Don't hesitate to hit me up in the comments below. Please hit like, subscribe. Until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your skin, and remember, you've got this.